I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by joining Amazon Associates right away and entering payout and tax details. Once approved, choose a focused niche and identify 3-5 product types that sell. Do quick product research using bestseller lists and reviews to prioritize items with stable demand. Next, set up your content platform, site, channel, or social, and place the required disclosure prominently. Make your first piece of content a comparison or review that targets buyer intent keywords and includes your affiliate link. Once content is live, expand into reviews, comparisons, and how-to guides that directly answer buying questions. You want pages that convert. Use keyword tools to focus on 1 to 3 target terms per page and include long-tail phrases for lower competition. Add tracking ID for each channel, cloak links for cleaner presentation, and test Amazon native ads or product widgets to increase clicks. Make sure images, pros/cons, and clear CTAs are prominent so readers convert quickly. To finish the process, monitor clicks, conversion rate, and average order value, and prioritize fixes on pages with high traffic but low conversions. Scale what works using email sequences, paid ads, or clustered content that funnels to top pages, and reinvest affiliate earnings into content and testing. For payouts, confirm thresholds and tax forms. If something breaks, links not tracking or account flags, stop. Review associate policy and link formatting. Then reapply fixes and relaunch small to validate results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.